This is a very dramatic experiment with which we can learn something about surface tension. Take a glass full of colored water and some coins. Now add more colored water to the glass until it is level filled with water. Add some more water with the help of a dropper. Keep adding until you think you can add no more water. The water is level filled to the brim. Now take a coin and gently drop it in the glass. Keep adding more coins. You'll be surprised to see how many coins can a glass full of water swallow. This is because the water has a skin on the top, and because of surface tension, this skin keeps the water inside the glass. Add some more coins. Now you can see the level is vibrating. It bulges out. It becomes convex. But still you can add some more coins. In the end, of course, the water will spill out. But before that, the glass full of water would have swallowed many coins. And this is all because of surface tension. Now empty out the glass and see how many coins did it swallow. Isn't this fun?